When people say the sky's the limit, we ask, why stop there? This is the relentless spirit and passion of UCAN Robot, and from there, we created another glimpse of the future of possible. This is the BW Space, the newest addition to the UCAN Robot family, and a great leap forward for the industry. BW Space is the newest and most improved underwater drone from UCAN Robot, which yields something unique and groundbreaking in the process. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it's a work of art that produces works of art. It's exceptionally powerful and nimble in the water without sacrificing stability. It has the ability to capture 4K video at 30 frames per second and take still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. With 7 hours of total dive time, 100-meter dive depth, and a max speed of 2 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. The BW Space's striking industrial design is the perfect union of form and function. With state-of-the-art active tracking, it can follow your subject automatically. And with dual powerful LED lights, you'll have no problem navigating in the darkest of conditions. With 128 gigs of internal storage, you can record for hours and take thousands of photos. Live sharing makes it a breeze to share with your friends. With the click of a button, the whole world can tune in to your adventure. The app is as sleek and compact as the BW Space itself. And with the BW Space in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.